We forgot the tripod. Today we're going to go over our dividend income for June 2022, and you get to see our giant faces in your screen as we do it.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna try to zoom out so you don't see how big my head is, but we are gonna try our best.
We're improvising in the park, so stick around and we'll let you know how much we made in June of 2022.
Let's do that. Hi, my name is Jean.
I'm Christine.
We are a Canadian couple, and since 2021 we have been sharing our journey to financial independence. Our goal is in 2024, which is just over a year and 6 months away.
Year and a half.
Yeah, become financially independent, and as a result we are gonna have what we are really looking forward, which is having time with our friends, time to travel, time with our family, but not only that, time to do this, whatever you want to do in life. As always, what are we going to be doing today?
Yeah, today we're just going to go over our dividend income for 2022 of June, the month of June. So,
yeah, we consider ourselves hybrid investors, meaning that we do invest on ETFs, we invest in real estate, international real estate, but not only that, we also invest on dividend paying stocks.
And really that's going to become our salary, if you want, when we finish working and we're no longer collecting that bi-weekly or monthly income from the employers, right? That's what the dividend is going to kind of mimic for us.
I know, and the best part is we are 6 months into 2022.
Yeah, and we're doing pretty good. We're pretty on track.
I think so. Why don't we stop
giving away the secrets?
Giving away the secrets, but stay until the end of this video, because we are going to share with you how much we have received up to this point, how much we are away from our goal. Our goal for 2022 is get up to $25,000 on dividend stocks and distribution. So let's see how far we are.
But we changed that goal.
Oh, it's 30,000. I forgot about that.
Yeah, we changed that goal to 30,000, but the number at the end of this video is just still a percentage of the $25,000 goal. Maybe the next month, after our first 6 months, we'll increase that to the 30,000. So right now, end of the year, or end of this video, it'll just be the $25,000 goal.
Yeah, I forgot about that. I have to update my numbers, my spreadsheets.
I keep springing things on him and he forgets.
Let's go over our dividends for June 2022.
So the first one we received in June was Manulife. We received $660. We currently own 2,000 shares, and year to date we have received $1,320. Yeah.
The second company is Enbridge. Enbridge is part of the energy sector here in Canada. We received $767.98. We have 893 shares, and year to date $1,536.96.
Next one is Canadian Utilities. As the name suggests, it's part of the utilities allocation of our portfolio. We received $533.04. We currently own 1,200 shares, and year to date we have received $1,066.08.
Yeah, we usually have RioCan. RioCan is part of the REIT sector here, so we have not received the dividends yet. At least it didn't show on our report, so we are not including RioCan this month. So we are gonna do RioCan again once you are sharing July's number. So that's why we are not including RioCan right now. However, we received dividends from ITOT. ITOT is an ETF from the US, so part of our asset allocation. We have international exposure as well. That's why we have ITOT. You might not be familiar with ITOT, but it's the same one as VTI, which is basically the iShare. ITOT is the iShare Core, total US market ETF, which is basically all the US market. It's part of our global allocation. From ITOT, we received $169.76. This is distributions from ITOT. We do have in total 622 shares, and year to date, $371.05.
The next one is another ETF that we hold. It's XAW. That one pays out twice a year, if I'm not mistaken.
XAW, yeah.
So we've received the second No, I guess maybe the first one for 2022.
No, it's the second one.
Yeah, but
we
that one
received in
was
January.
We received that in January, but that was for December of 2021, right?
Okay.
But yes, the second receipt of XAW this year, we received $90.03. We own 325 shares, and year to date have received $185.80.
Yeah, so going back to my point, ITOT, we are not doing the conversion between Canadian and US, so it's $169.76 US, right?
Yeah. So when we add all of that up, the total for June of 2022 is $2,220.81. Broke that 2,000 again.
Yes, we did broke the record, and that's what we are trying to do. It's gonna go above 2,000 per month on,
Yeah, try and keep that as an average, right? Like, I think we want to try and keep all of our monthly incomes right in and around the same amount, and then incrementally increase that so that we can reach that $3,000, $3,500, $4,000 each month.
Exactly. Let's now go and stop for a second, and thanks to you. So thanks for being part of our journey. So we are so excited, and every single month we see the number of subscribers increasing, which is great. At the same time, it's a responsibility for us because we are keep doing what we have always been doing, which is being transparent about our financial situation, right? So why don't we go, and thanks for sticking around, and we are gonna go now on our dividend strategy and how much we have received from the different allocations up to this year.
So as of now, the telecom sector of our portfolio has received $1,601, which represents around 13% of our income.
Yep.
The next one is utilities. We've received $2,241.55, which represents around 19% of the income.
Third one is financials, which is our biggest asset allocation. We received $5,728.04, which is around 48%.
Next one is REITs. It's $140.71, which is just about 1%.
Yeah, we have here ETFs, which is basically the global market that we have. So we have ETFs in the US, and you can see the example of ITOT, and the other one is XAW. Up to this point, we received $556.85, which is around 5% of our portfolio.
Yeah, next one is healthcare. So we've received $225.32, which is about 2%.
And the last one, energy sector, $1,536.96, which is around 13% of our portfolio.
So when you look at all of that as a whole, we're going to break that down over Canada and global. So Canada is actually representing $11,247 of all of that dividend income, which is 93% of all of our dividend income comes from our Canadian exposure.
Yeah, and the other 7% comes from the global exposure, which is around, we received $782.17.
That global exposure is not there for its income.
No.
That global exposure is there for growth. Right now it's there for the shrinkage, but hopefully it's going to grow again. Those are positions that we're planning on holding on long term and seeing the capital appreciation on.
How much have we received up to this year, up to June 2022?
Yeah, so we're halfway through the year, and at the end of June, we have received $12,029.98, which is actually 48% of our 2022 goal of reaching $25,000 of dividend income. Awesome. But now we have a new goal. Now we have a new goal of 30,000. So,
which is not the 48 anymore, right?
No.
So I have to redo the numbers. But let's pretend that our goal, our initial goal was actually 25,000. So
yeah, we're right on track for that one.
Yeah, we are right on track.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Now let's talk about some interesting factors about our dividend strategy for this year. The first one is if we do compare June 2022 with June 2021, we are up 88%. Yes, you heard that right. 88% if you compare year over year.
Yeah, and part of that is obviously we've been adding quite significantly to a lot of our positions, but also those dividends have increased, right? Since June of 2021. We're in July. Oh my goodness, can't believe it. So all of that kind of contributes to the increase, but 88% is a huge increase and a huge improvement.
Yeah, and if you have not seen the video from 2021, if you want to go back, take a look. Yeah, way back 1 year ago. Go back to the dividend playlist that we're gonna put up here on your screen so you can compare. Actually, take a look since we started doing that with our blogging, not with our blog, with this channel since 2021. So you can see how we have been progressing so far, right?
Yep.
One interesting factor that I wanted to share with you is about ITOT, and what is that?
Yeah, so ITOT is that one ETF that we tend to buy once a year with our RRSP contributions into the spousal account. So we tend to see that one as a pretty stable number of shares over the course of the entire year. So if we look back at the previous distribution that we had received in March of 2022, $201. If we look at what we received in June of this year, it's down to $169. So there is a decrease, even though we have basically the same number of shares. We have 2 more that we purchased with that previous distribution. But overall, the distribution has dropped about 16%, which is actually almost a direct correlation to the stock market, right? So these distributions, one, again, we're not counting on these for our income, but 2, it just goes to show that it really does reflect the overall market.
Yeah, COVID, and here we are. Take a look on our net worth video for June 2022 because it's gonna be coming soon, and it's a good, if you would like to subscribe, so you know once this video is gonna come, and you can see the reasons why. So as Christine did mention, this is something that you are aware of. Exposure to Canada is quite high. We also know this, but there is a reason behind, which is the Smith maneuver. If you're not familiar with that concept, it's another playlist that I'm gonna put up here, and you can see why we are doing what we are doing.
So that's it. June was another great month. We're starting to see a more consistent amount over 2,000 per month, which is amazing. And we're just gonna keep going up from there. If we can get it up to right around $2,500 a month by the end of the year, I think we'll be well on track for that 30,000.
You think so?
Yeah, why not?
Okay. Well, I trust you.
Excellent. Well, that's it for this week, guys. We hope you're all having a great long weekend if you're here in Canada and the States, because you guys have your holiday Monday. We had ours Friday. So enjoy. Hopefully the weather is beautiful for everyone everywhere as it is here.
Yep. We hope that you are well. We hope that you are safe. Thanks again for your support. Thanks for the encouraging words, and thanks for sticking with us.
Yeah, we'll see you later, guys.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Back.
Yeah.
Just a little twingy. Twingy back. Okay. Dividends.
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
All right.
I don't know, but either way, you tell us in the comments below if the quality of audio is good. We move that way. I'm trying to be like at least your size, but I don't think it's working. It's just the position.
We should switch spots.
No, that's all good. Let's stay like this. You always stay on my left side, right?
That's right.
Yeah. Perfect.
Right now. Oh, there's a helicopter. Hang on.
Hang on.
There it is.
Oh, that's from the orange. Yeah. We are back.
Slight pause. Yeah, so the first one we received in June was Manulife. We currently own 600 shares.
No, sorry.
That's on that.
Yeah.
The second one is the utilities sector. Should we wait until he stops yelling? But I have an itchy nose.
No, let's go.
Yeah?
Okay.